Hi everyone, the time change is coming up soon, so here's a quick guide on how to change the time on the dash in a Toyota Avensis T25. Turn the key and switch on the ignition. On the right, there's a thin little peg. Press and hold it for 5 seconds and let go. The hour will start blinking. Now keep clicking this peg until the correct hour is set and wait for it to save. Okay, now it's time for the minutes. Keep clicking until it's right, then leave it for a few seconds. The entire time, hours and minutes should start blinking. After a few seconds, it stops. Saved, that's it. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.